Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again with another video, and today I have a very interesting one. We have Huawei's Freebuds 5, which were recently launched. Now this is the latest from Huawei when it comes to the Freebuds range. This is the successor to the Freebuds 4. We're going to do a quick unboxing and a review and see whether these are actually worth the price. Talking about the price real quick, these come at around 599 dirhams, $159 is what that converts to. And the big question is whether these actually are worth the price, or should you get something that's a little bit better by spending a little bit more. The Freebuds 5 come in 3 different colors. We have today the silver frost, but apart from this comes in a coral orange and also a ceramic white. Personally, I think this is the best looking color. Let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we have inside. So we have the case, first of all, right in front of us, and inside the Freebuds. Now the Freebuds themselves come in this shiny finish. The case itself is kind of like a matte finish, so you're not going to get a lot of fingerprints, but immediately on the Freebuds, you're going to start getting fingerprints all over. The design is actually inspired by a droplet, but not just any droplet. This is inspired by Prince Rupert's droplet. If you don't know what that is, you can go ahead and Google it. Let's go see what else we have inside the box. So we have we have the silicone tips over here as well. So they don't come with silicone tips pre-attached, but you do have a pair of silicone tips that you can attach in case your ears don't fit. Apart from that, we have, I believe, what is the booklet here. So yes, we have the booklet and we have the USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Weight-wise, I have the AirPods Pro here, which I use on a daily basis. They're pretty much similar in weight. I don't see any difference. This is actually around 45 grams, and this I believe it would be around the same. One thing that I kind of don't like is the finish. So the finish is okay, but I could actually kind of it actually kind of moves a little bit, and it has that little bit of a squeaky plastic type vibe, which is something that I don't like. The hinge itself is pretty sturdy, but I can't open it with one hand. I have to do I cannot really open it with one hand. I have to, it just keeps on closing back. Unlike the AirPods where you can do that immediately, these I can't. I have to, this is a two-handed operation here. Now again, looking at the earbuds, we're gonna try and fit them inside the ear and see how they fit. So they fit pretty nice, but I feel like one of them is fitting better than the other. So the left one fits pretty snug and tight, but the right one feels like it's about to fall off for some reason. I don't know why. Yeah, I don't know, it's falling off. So I don't know whether that's my ears. I'm pretty sure it's my ears. I don't think there's a flaw in the design. Both are designed the same size. Yeah, active noise cancellation is immediately turned on as soon as you put on the earbuds. Yeah, and then you have gesture control, so I just clicked it a little bit and it started giving me different options. We'll go through that in a little bit. Let's talk a little bit more about the battery of the Huawei Freebuds 5. So these, the pods themselves, the Freebuds themselves, these come with 42 milliamperes of battery, and the case itself comes with about 505 milliamperes of battery, which is plenty. Huawei claims that it's supposed to give you about 30 hours of playback, but that's if you don't have noise cancellation. If you have active noise cancellation, then they'll give you about 20 hours. The buds themselves really will not give you a lot of time. So if you're using them with the active noise cancellation, they're going to give you around 3.5 hours. And without noise cancellation, they'll give you around 5 hours. It does charge to USB-C, and it also supports wireless charging. So yes, you can also reverse wireless charges with your phone, or you can just directly wireless charge this. Huawei also claims that it will last you around 2 hours, or it will give you 2 hours of playback if you charge them for 5 minutes. So I think that's really good. When it comes to the water resistance or the IP rating, these are rated at IP54, which means that you're only going to be able to give them a splash. That's it. You cannot really do much more than that. So if you briefly drop these in water, or if you're at the gym, you don't have to worry about them too much. The case itself is not water resistant at all, so there's no IP rating when it comes to the case itself. The sound itself was not bad at all. Let me go ahead and just do a quick connection and show you guys. This pretty much reminds me of when you pair your AirPods to your Apple device. You're going to long press here on the side, and you're going to see immediately it brings up the Freebuds in front of you. So you're going to go ahead and press connect, and it's going to immediately start pairing. Just a minute here. Yeah, so there we go. So you can skip this if you want to. It shows you the tutorials, it gives you the battery life. One of the things that I kind of didn't like is that if you don't have the specific AI Life app, you're not going to be able to change any settings here. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So opening up, so putting on the ears, it's a little bit tough to take out, I would say. The design is fine, but it's a little bit slippery. All right, so putting them in your ears, now you have to connect to the AI Life app, which then allows you to tweak your headphones, which is something that I didn't like. I mean, normally if you're using an Apple device, if you pair your AirPods with them, you can just tweak your settings from within the phone itself. You don't have to download a separate app. And I had a little bit of a hard time understanding that, because I thought that I would just be able to kind of tweak my settings over here, but no, I had to find the app and then be able to go inside of it and then tweak my settings. So you can see over here, you can turn on noise cancellation on and off. You have different modes, so you have dynamic, you have cozy, and you have general. One of the things that I don't like is that the noise cancellation is okay. So you'll be able to hear the difference, but immediately you get this very low hissing sound, which is used to kind of counteract the other noises that are coming from outside. Apart from that, the active noise cancellation is good, but it's only good for low frequency sounds. So anything a little bit louder than the air coming from your AC, you're going to start to hear everything. So that's kind of a drawback here. Apart from that, you have different settings and sound quality effects that you can put. So you can put it on default, you can put it on bass boost, treble boost, and voices as well, and then you can add different ones as well. I believe you have the option to make your own kind of equalizer. When it comes to the gestures, this does have different gestures. So if you double tap, it's going to stop or play the music. If you press and hold, it's going to deactivate the noise cancellation or reactivate it. You can also change the different settings. So you can, for example, you see it over here, it says reject call. You can actually tweak the settings for the left and the right one. If you swipe down or up, you can just adjust the volume. So that's pretty accurate. I would say it's not a hit or a miss like some previous generations of the Huawei Freebuds. The only thing that's really bothering me is that it's not fitting well on one ear. I don't know why. That's very annoying for me. So this one is perfectly fine. This one is just like coming off, like even with the slightest touch, it just, I don't know, it just comes off. That's pretty weird for me. And this one is there, like it's not, even if I tap it pretty hard, it's not moving. I don't know why. Maybe that's my ears. I'm not sure. When we talk about the pricing, these come at 599 dirhams. So 600 dirhams if you want to buy these from the Huawei official website. The thing that I kind of I'm doubting is that if you buy the AirPods Pro, even if it's the first generation, these nowadays you can get them for around 700 to maximum 800 dirhams. I don't even think 800 dirhams is the price. You can find a good pair of headphones for 700 and brand new. I'm not talking about a second-hand one on Dubizzle. A brand new pair of AirPods Pro, the first generation, you can get them for around 700 dirhams. The second generation is actually, I think, 800 or 899 or something. So these you can find for 700 dirhams. So the question is, do you actually spend 100 dirhams more and actually buy the AirPods Pro, or which actually has very good noise cancellation? It has really good sound quality, and it's obviously made from Apple. So that's a big question that I have here. Yes, you can still connect these with Android. You may not get the same features and the same sound quality and the active noise cancellation as you can get when you're pairing this to an iPhone, but you still get pretty good quality overall. So let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you think about the Huawei Freebuds 5. I'm not saying these are a bad pair of headphones at all. These are pretty good, and they're really nice for everyday use. I'm just kind of confused a little bit on the pricing, and makes me think whether you should invest in these or just go for something like the AirPods Pro. Anyways, let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.